So guys, today I came up with a hello guys, welcome back to a new video with Yoga and Bunny. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So today I came up with a new video which is on how I stay hair free all the time. So many of you people ask me how you stay hair free all the time. This is not the case guys, where you guys say me, are you doing a waxing all the time and stuff. This is not the case. I am a human being. Even I have to suffer from a pain when I do waxing. And yes, I don't do waxing every time to stay hair free. So sometimes I go for hands and leg shaving either guys. So yes, I do hands and leg shaving with a face shaving. So I will recommend that video somewhere here where I show you guys how to shave your face. So let's come on this video where I'm gonna show you guys how to shave your legs and your hands with the razor. So you have to go for very good razor while shaving your hands and legs. So I have came up with this razor which is of Venus Gillette. Yeah. So guys, today I'm gonna shave with this razor and I'm gonna show you how to shave. You just don't have to take a razor and directly go on your skin. Yes, you have some methods to do it. So don't just take a razor and just let it. So yes guys, this is the razor with which today we're gonna shave. As you guys can see, there are 3 blades on this razor and I'm now gonna show you how we do a waxing. Before doing waxing, you have to exfoliate your skin, and after doing waxing you just have to go for any good moisturizer. And during the period of waxing, you just don't have to glide directly razor on your hands. You have to go for a foam, something like a soap foam, or just wet your hands and just go for any soap you use at your home, such directly apply on your skin, and then you have to shave it. So guys, if you don't want to go for a soap and stuff, so I do have alternative either. And in a previous video where I was showing you how to do a face shaving, and so I gave you alternative baby oil. So yes guys, today I'm gonna show you how to shave your hands and legs with a baby oil. So the baby oil which I'm gonna use is this baby oil from Johnson and Johnson. So let's begin, and please guys be till the end. So as you guys can see, there is a very minimal hair growth on my hands for now. It's just of 20 to 25 days, that's it. And now I will wet my hands with the water. As you guys can see, I have wet my hands with the water. Then I will go for the exfoliation, and I am doing it with this Mama Earth face wash. Yes guys, this isn't a face wash, but I don't like it as a face wash, so nowadays I'm using as a exfoliator. So as you guys can see, now I'm exfoliating my skin to get a clear surface for a shaving. And guys, exfoliate it very properly. And now I will rinse my hand with a cold water, and I'm wiping it with a very clean handkerchief or towel. You can go for any of it. So now I will use this Johnson and Johnson's baby hair oil. Is now you have to make sure that you are applying a good amount of hair oil. Just we don't have to go on dry skin, we have to apply good amount of hair oil as I am doing in a video. So as you guys can see, for now I am going for that razor fearlessly because it is not hurting me at all, and it is really painless guys. And as you guys can see, I have already removed all of my hairs, at least at the that part of my hand, and I am going with very fearlessly and very boldly. And as you guys can see, all of my hairs of that part of my hand has came on this razors, and as you guys can see clearly in a video. So now I am feeling really hairless at that part of my hand at least. Last, you can go for any moisturizer you like using guys. I'm going for this one. You can go for any, and just you have to apply it on your skin, and then you are good to go wherever you want to go without your hairs, and that's it. Shine in my hand is very different, as you guys can see, and we are done. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope that guys my videos are being helpful to you guys. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So yes guys, do like my video and comment down below for the links, and thanks for watching. Bye till the next video.